Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today is the day. I have bought some patterns and I'm just going to do a simple pattern haul with you guys. I figured that's a different haul I have yet to do. So yes, I finally did buy some patterns, so I have some patterns to use for not that practical stuff, I'm gonna be honest, but that's okay, it's a start. So let me show off, I guess, just the most practical pattern of the bunch is a Simplicity 1950s vintage pattern. It's pattern 1426 and then D5. It is basically just a vintage bra pattern for like 4 different bras. And I figured this would be really cool because I have some fabric. If anybody has ever watched one of my a couple of my thrift hauls, I have some really cool just printed fabric. I have like Hello Kitty printed fabric, the strawberry shortcake printed fabric, and a printed fabric with like sweets and stuff. So I thought that a bra would pair nice with like some stretchy elastic shorts, just as like, I don't know, like an at-home wear kind of thing. So I got this bra pattern and I actually made the shorts pattern following a different video on YouTube. So yes, I have this vintage bra pattern that I really like this bra. I really actually like the bras, they're really cute. So yeah, I have this pattern. Is the first and most practical pattern of the haul. The next pattern I have is a Simplicity Disney pattern, and this is pattern 1553 and then HH. And it just basically shows like adult costume versions for Cinderella, Aurora, and Belle. And I just liked the looks of the skirt and like the tops. That again, I feel like I could pretty much just use this with any like any printed fabric to get like a fun little top and a skirt or something like that. Or I just thought this would be a good pattern to have for like costume wise, because I am big on like costumes and cosplays and stuff. I did think that this would be a nice pattern to have. Next pattern, all these patterns, or at least most of them, I do plan on making some sort of video using them. And this pattern especially, I have this Simplicity pattern for like these kimono dresses. I love these things and I'm so happy to finally have a pattern to make them, because a while ago I bought some really cool looking like I guess you could just say Asian inspired fabric, and I bought, it's like the same pattern in like 2 different colors, and I kind of want to mix them together, create one of these. But I feel like it'll look really cool because it'll be like part of it'll be one color and the other part will be another color, like the skirt, like maybe this tier will be one color and like so on and so forth. So I'm excited to hopefully try that relatively soon. This is, I don't know if I mentioned, this is pattern 8317 and then H5. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that pattern. Okay, so the last 4 patterns are kind of like a collection. I don't know if anyone has seen the movie Cruella yet, the live action Disney version. I haven't even seen it yet, but I do plan to. But as soon as I saw these patterns, I had to get all 4 of them. And I'm sure you know where this is going. Cruella made 4 patterns and they look awesome. I'm going to show you individually shortly. So first we'll start out with the coat. I believe she wears this when she's younger. Again, I haven't seen the movie yet. I know, I really want to, because I really want to see the costumes, because I am big into like costumes and stuff like that. So if you hear weird noise, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on outside. So anyway, I bought the coat pattern, and this is R10982. Simplicity as well. I seem to buy a lot of Simplicity patterns. I don't know what it is. I just feel like they have a very good range of stuff that I like, so I buy it. So yeah, that is the first pattern. All right, next I will show this pattern. Is a an outfit she wears during the movie. I do know that. Simplicity R10979. It's really cool. It's got like this skirt and like this fitted, like, I don't know, almost like vest kind of thing. I'm not exactly sure how to describe it, but I just love the look of it. It's so awesome. All right, now the last two are like both my favorites, so I always do like save best for last, but I don't know, so I just gotta pick one then. Okay, we'll go with this one. Simplicity R10980 is this awesome looking coat. I'm not exactly sure when she wears a coat like this. I know she's on like a stage and she's wearing this big coat, but it looks a lot more detailed than this, so I don't know if maybe they did this for simplicity reasons, as in like that coat is too complicated, and for like an at-home pattern this is the basic look of it. I don't exactly know, but I love the look of this coat. Also, it comes with a pattern to make this like one-piece leotard thingy, so I thought that was kind of cool. But I love this coat. This coat is awesome. Okay, and then the very last pattern I have to share with you is the Simplicity Cruella pattern R10981. And it is the famous red dress. And I just love the look of this. It is gorgeous. If you don't know me personally, I'm not a fan of like mermaid or like trumpet dresses. I personally love A-line and ball gown, just like really pretty, like out there dresses. But I have made like not really fitted dresses, but I guess not exactly like an A-line or ball gown. So I love the look of this. It's so pretty. It's so cool. So sorry about that. Make myself laugh sometimes. Alright, so that is pretty much it. That is my little pattern haul for you guys. There's like what, 4, 5, 6, 7 patterns that I recently bought, and I'm very excited to hopefully try them out shortly. Hopefully I will be actually putting more projects out there. It's just, again, I have been going back to work full time, so it gets a little trickier, so I'm trying though. So that is it. I'm gonna get going. Please like and subscribe if you want, and take care of yourself. Drink water, get something good to eat, get plenty of sleep, and I will see you all later. Bye!